Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany, for those of you who are new. If you're not already subscribed, I do upload twice a week. That's Sundays and Thursdays. So if you don't want to miss out on a video, I do upload twice a week. For today's video, we are going to be playing with the new, for me, So Jaded palette. This is a Kathleenlights's collab with Colourpop. So this is what she looks like. If you didn't see my May favorites, I did mention this. So we're gonna be playing with her today. We got a new shirt on, we got a new palette, we got a new foundation. We're here with the new things for us. So I am gonna be using the greens, the emerald, the jade in here because I just want to match with my shirt, and I'm obsessed with my shirt. I love this print. I love Viva la Bonita, so you know I had to cop this. It's tie-dye. She's olive green. You already know. And I cry as hard as I work. What can I say? If you would like to see and stay tuned to see any of these new goodies that we're going to delve into, please stay tuned. Alrighty, my friends. We're going to start off with the eyes first. I did my brows off camera because they take forever today. I am pleasantly surprised how she was acting up today. They were acting good, so I ain't mad at that. A lot of the things that I did grab from my collection, I tried to get all drugstore, but if I don't include that, I'm sorry, but I tried to do the best I can. I did pull out my Milani Conceal Perfect Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade 140 Pure Beige. We're gonna pop this on the lids to prime. I'm gonna use a brush to blend this out because we do have some discoloration on the eyelids. So to fix that, we need to blend it. So we got that down on the lids, and then we're gonna take the So Jaded palette. I'm so excited to be using this today because I have not played with this. So I'm so excited. So we're gonna start with Geodude and pop this on the crease. I feel like it's a pretty appropriate color to put on the crease. Okay, we got on Geodude now, and we're going to use the jade color, which is the one next to the emerald. So jade, we're gonna use color just matches the entire look. So we're gonna pop that right on top of the Geodude. I already love Colourpop's eyeshadow formula, so I'm not complaining about this palette, and the more I kept seeing it, the more I was like, why did I not get it when it first launched? But luckily I was still able to get it while it was in stock, so here we are today, a few months later, here we are today playing with her. Let me know if you have this palette, that way I can create more looks with this. I'm gonna go back with my blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna blend away some of the excess so we don't have it too of a harsh crease area. What I forgot to put on those E.L.F shields yet again. I keep on forgetting to do that. Why does this keep happening to me? Ugh. Okay, here we are. Now we're gonna cut the crease. I have not been doing that as much, but we're gonna do it today. I'm using the same concealer that I used for priming my eyelids, so 140. And this is a brush. I don't know where it's from. My friend gave it to me, and we're gonna use her to cause the crease. Pop it on in the center. Gotta look up. normally have to go up a little higher than average people because, you know, we just gotta do it. We're gonna go back in with the Jade so we can blend up some of the olive green color. Just kind of get that in here. I really want to do tiger eye, but then I want to do emerald. Let me see. Okay, so tiger eye is actually more of a bronzy color. Tiger eye looks like, and then this is the emerald, which I feel like the emerald is kind of more matchy with my shirt. So we're gonna go with the emerald color. Super pigmented. This is so pretty, OMG. Maybe I'm just exaggerating. I just love Kathleen, you know, she's just, her personality is just the best. Okay, we are gonna do the left eye now. I have my little wipey here because I do have very minimal fallout. Gotta clean that up a bit. We're like in full already summer. On Saturday is the first day of summertime, and I'm over here just doing like fall looks. Okay, for the eyeliner, we're using the Milani Cosmetics Alchemy liquid liner. I am kind of nervous because I haven't used liquid liner in a little bit, so wish me luck. Listen, I haven't done my makeup in a little bit, so I apologize. I'm a little rusty, but we're gonna move on to the face. I did clean my face with the micellar water that I've used in the past before. This is from TJ Maxx. And for today's moisturizer, I use the Boscia Chia Seed Moisture Cream. I got this at Costco, girl. I be shopping at Costco. The app is dangerous, ma'am. Be careful, my friend put me on, and now I cannot get off the damn app because there's so much things that I want to just buy on there. I'm just like, I need everything. I need it all. I need it all. Good. We're gonna move on to, again, concealer, and I'm using the same 140 concealer from Milani. Okay, let's put this on here. I do have my cream contour today. Again, it's the Wet n Wild one. I'm trying to keep it affordable here, so you already know how much I really love this thing. I use this brush from NYX Cosmetics. This is, I don't know what number it is, but I'm gonna just pop that on. Just get some from my Boscia. And we're going to bronze up the skin. I really want to buy the Fenty bronzer, the cream bronzer, because I've been seeing so many reviews on it. Let me know if you have it, if it's worth it. I heard it's sheer, but it gives you like a nice little bronzy kind of summer skin. She's killing it with the makeup. And I really want to get the cream blushes. I'm also going to blend my concealer with the same brush that we used for the eyes. Let's use our beauty sponge. This is the one from Amazon. And I'm just gonna blend out the concealer, and we're gonna put the foundation on top of this. For foundations today, these are the two that I'm gonna use. As if you saw my May favorites, the L'Oreal foundation that I bought was too light, which is this one right here. This is in the color 480, and then the new one that I bought is 500. So I did go 2 shades deeper. We're gonna see how this one works, because the 480 is a little bit too light for me the first day that I tried it, because I was so excited to try it on. I was like, oh my goodness, I need this in my life. And it was a little too light, so I feel like this is a little bit too deep now, but maybe because I am getting more tan right now in the summertime, since I'm being out more in the sun. Blend this in with my NYX Cosmetics brush, and I wonder if it's a little, actually this is not too bad of a shade. Yeah, it blends well with the concealer that I had on. Got that on. Again, I'm gonna go with my spongy sponge, and I'm just gonna press this more into the skin, which this does look pretty matchy. Pretty matchy. We're gonna set it with the E.L.F. Halo Glow setting powder. So this fella right here, that's what she looks like. I'm gonna use the same sponge and put this on my under eye. So what I'm gonna do is set my entire face, and then we're gonna add some highlight, bronzer, and some blush. I feel like, at least for my nozzle with this one, I have to really press hard on it to get the mist. But it gives me a nice little like refresher. And for bronzer today, I'm using my Palladio matte bronzer. I think I used this in my last video, I can't remember, but we're gonna use this girl today. And my Makeup Forever brush, dual brush. This is in the number 158. And we are pressing on the bronzer color. Some on the forehead. Hershey, remove my camera. The only highlighter that I have that's drugstore is the Maybelline Fit Me one. The Maybelline, what is it called? The Maybelline one, and I wanted to use a different one because I feel like I'm using that one every time for a drugstore. So this is the only thing that's not drugstore. It's from Milk Cosmetics. This is a Gold Ore highlighter that is so bomb. If you have not tried their digital dust highlighters, they are bomb. I'm gonna put that right on here, top of the cheekbones, so we can give you a booming highlight. Yes, senorita. Of course, we're putting some on the Cupid's bow and right on the tip of the nose. Not too much, just a very pinch of it, because you know, I'm still about that highlight life. Okay, I also don't have a blush from the drugstore, so I'm gonna use the same one that I used in my last video, which is the Jouer one. Oh wait, I do, just kidding. I have this one. I totally forgot. I wanted to use this on camera. This is a Catrine and Amon blush palette. As you can tell, I've been waiting to try her on camera. I didn't even, oh, I just stabbed it great with my nail. So I'm excited. We're gonna use a new blush today. We're gonna use this shade called Chia, this one right here. It's kind of like a peachy. It's coming off pink on camera. I use the other side of this brush to apply my blush, and she cute, girl. She cute. I like her. Perfect. I don't know if that's still in stock, but I got it for the Trendwood box, so that's why I wanted to use it today. I'm just gonna comb my lashes with the roller lash from Benefit. I mean, either way, I'm just gonna put on falsies, so I'm just gonna do that. And then for the lower lash line, we're also gonna use this shade Jade for the lower lash line. Okay, I picked up some of that Jade color, and then for the inner corner, I really want to use the Period color because it's just like a very lime green kind of color, and I feel like it will tie it all in. So we're gonna use this color here. It's like a gold, it's like a green with a gold shift to it. Make lashes we're gonna keep it affordable again. I'm gonna use the Kiss Royal Silk Lashes, which I did use in a previous tutorial. They're so pretty, they're so fluffy, they're just gorgeous. For the lip liner today, we're using Italia Light Brown Lip Liner. This is actually an eyeliner. We're gonna use it for lip liner. Let's see if this color will match today. This is the E.L.F. Nectar Syracuse lipstick. I doubt it, but it's worth a shot. It's a little... It's not giving me what I wanted. I'm gonna add a gloss. We're gonna use Uncensored 2.0 from Artist Couture. Much better. I apologize, I don't have a affordable lip gloss. The only one that I have is from Morphe, and I feel like I always use that one. I need to find more affordable lip products to show you guys, because I feel like the only things I have are back there and like that little glass container. So I'm gonna set with my Morphe setting spray for sealing the deal. Wow, this lip combo actually didn't turn out to be bad. The lip gloss kind of took over, which I'm not mad about because you know I love me a gloss. That's the end of this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching a couple new things in my collection. So thank you all for being here today and hanging out with me at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed your time with me, you know, just hanging out, talking about makeup. So I will see you all on Sunday's video. Toodles!